Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with TJ. And today's question of the day: who was the last judge mentioned in the book of Judges? Comment below. So today, things are tough. Didn't get the greatest night of sleep, but what it shows you is when you have good routines, sometimes when your mind doesn't want to, your body will still obey. Then there's times where you're sick and your body doesn't obey, but your mind does. And then there's times where both don't obey and the spirit pulls through. Got to make sure daily you get into good routines. You can help battle what the world throws against you. Today we're going to jump into Isaiah chapter 40, verses 30 and 31. Even youths grow tired and weary, and young men stumble and fall. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, and they will run and not grow weary, and they will walk and not be faint. In the Bible study, it says, God knows everything and understands all our pain. There is nothing he doesn't know. But evil things still happen in the world, and our process of spiritual growth will take time and suffer some setbacks. We may get tired of trying to do right and want to give up and go back to old habits. If we endure and keep faith in God, he will renew our strength so that we can continue on. Know that every day isn't going to feel great, but in the weakest and tired moments, always go back to Jesus. When things are tough, go into prayer. Make it an instinct to go into the Bible rather into your own head. Don't get caught up in your own thoughts and believe only in the truth. Make today the best day yet. And to close us out, the answer is in Judges chapter 16, verse 31, Samson. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow.